ASRL mouthguard for clenching teeth at night, night guards for teeth grinding. Health Professional Mouthguard, ASRL, Advanced Sleep Research Laboratory, aims at developing advanced techniques to help you get a good night's sleep. Comfortable Moldable. Our mouthguards for grinding teeth are made of ethylene vinyl acetate, which can easily be molded in hot water and thus adjusted to your bite. It is the best choice to protect your teeth from the wear and damage caused by grinding. Perfect Effect. Our night guards can reduce the discomfort and protect against the harmful effects caused by teeth grinding and clenching, also known as bruxism. At ASRL, you will find a properly fitted and custom night guard which will help skip all kinds of pain caused by TMJ. Multi-purpose, ASRL dental guard not only perfect for teeth grinding, but also can be used as a teeth whitening tray for your whitening needs and as an athletic mouthguard to protect against sport-related impacts to the teeth. Great shopping experience. Our deepest desire is that you can get the best results when you use ASRL night guards. If you have any problems when you use it, please feel free to contact us and we will give you the best solution to ensure you a great shopping experience. Top reviews from the United States. Very simple and comfortable to use. I've tried other mouthguards and they have never done the job. However, this one certainly does its job. It's easy to mold, it's whitened my teeth and it's also comfortable to use. I was afraid about the molding part, but I was pleasantly surprised on how easy the process was.